start, place the outer frame upside down on a flat surface. Make sure that the slotted holes are facing upward. Clip the frame together and bolt with M5 by 10mm stainless steel bolts. Hand tighten all the bolts and repeat this step for all 4 corners. Slide the 4 middle bars across the assembled frame and line up all the bolt holes with the nutserts. Use M6 by 15mm bolts to secure the flat bars to the frame. Line up the 2 crossbars with the 2 inner holes of the frame. Make sure that the channel is facing upward. Line up the 2 bars in the center of the hole. Hand tighten the crossbars using M6 by 15mm bolts. Repeat this on the other side. Next, flip over the roof platform and slide in the plastic spacers. Once in place, use M6 by 25mm bolts with washers and spring washers to secure all the spacers. Once you are happy with the alignment, snug up all your bolts, including the ones on the bottom of the platform.